Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to take the train from downtown Helsinki to the Helsinki Airport. The station is located in the heart of Helsinki, and the airport is located about 20 kilometers north of the city. When you arrive at the iconic Helsinki Central Station, take a minute to have a look at the beautiful building. Built in the early 1900s, about 200,000 people pass through here every single day. The building is known for its clock tower and the famous lantern bearer statues. The station is connected to Helsinki's underground city system, which includes shopping malls, restaurants, and walkways, providing convenient access to various parts of the city, even in Finland's coldest winters. You can buy tickets for the train inside the station or outside near the trains. These tickets can be used for trains, trams, buses, ferries, and even city bikes. You can choose Finnish, English, or Swedish on the ticket machine. The machine takes Visa and MasterCard. You can buy a single ticket or a day ticket if you're planning to use transit more than 3 times a day. So this is perfect if you're staying in Helsinki for a few days. A single ticket is valid for up to 80 minutes. You'll select the number of passengers, how many adults, how many children. Currently, the fare is just over €4 per person to get to the airport. You'll then insert your payment card, wait for the prompt, and enter your PIN. Wait for the transaction to complete, and then take your tickets from the ticket shelf. If you've come into the station from the front of the building, let's look at it from a top-down view. You'll be standing in this area. From here, you want to walk down alongside the trains to the back of the station, and you'll be in this area. This is where the trains to and from the airport came in while we were there, but it is a train station and trains do get moved around. You'll be looking for the P or the I train, and the front of it will say airport in either Finnish, Swedish, or English. All right, let's get on board. The train ride from Helsinki city center to the airport takes about 30 minutes. The I train takes 27 minutes to get to the airport, while the P train takes about 32 minutes, so about half an hour. Have a look at this train. It's really nice, lots of different kinds of seating. There's even room for bicycles and strollers, and there are even toilets on board. Always buy your ticket before you enter any public transport vehicle in Helsinki. The penalty fare for riding without a valid ticket or a card is €100, and they checked our tickets on every single ride we did.
Dear passengers, this is the I train via Huopalahti.
The frequency of the trains from Helsinki to the airport depends on the time of day and the time of the week. Monday to Saturday, trains run every 10 minutes. Sunday, trains run every 15 minutes. Early morning and late evening trains run every 20 to 30 minutes. We have arrived at Helsinki Airport. Follow the dotted line to the terminal. You can take an escalator up to the terminal, or there are elevators available as well. Helsinki Airport is really straightforward, and there are so many easy to read signs that will get you where you need to be. Before you know it, you're at the terminal. If you're catching a flight, head on in. If you're staying at an airport hotel like we were, the entrance is clearly marked right near the elevators to the train. I hope I was able to help you out today with planning your trip. If I did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell. Check out the links I've added below to our favorite anti-theft or anti-pickpocket backpacks, day packs, and crossbody bags. And thanks so much for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I'll see you again soon.